Victor 2, Sierra 01 to holding for Runway on runway.
Taxi to Victor, Victor 2, Sierra 1, holding for runway 11 right.
Okay, so let's brief around the block.
Yep. Right side is clear, left clear.
Okay.
Now just on by run.
615, go ahead.
Brakes are check your brakes. Brakes are check your brakes.
Full start up. Fighting east on Victor, RTCL Victor 5, now 215.
Taxi checklist. Taxi checklist. Brakes checked. Check. Thrust reversers checked. Takeoff briefing. Review completed. Taxi checklist completed. Okay.
Parking brake is on.
Ground is at 177, parking 52, request start one engine idle power again. Picture 177 and start one engine as idle power approved. Start one engine idle power approved is at 177. And then picture 177
clear.
TOVT as the descent time expired.
Just trying to kind of squeeze in there because not that he will overtake us. But I also don't want to go into the jet blast of the EVA area.
Picture 177, so Benarchi 49 over. Benarchi 49, right to Sierra. Benarchi 49 at the right Sierra and the left Victor 6, right Victor, Silver King 41. Right to Sierra, left turn Victor 6, right turn Victor 741, Benarchi 49. Tower 11H before break.
118 is about 4.
We're on right, due departing traffic. Papa 8 and hold short runway 1 on right, Vietnam 429.
Tower. Good afternoon.
Hold short of runway on right.
All short of runway 11 right.
Eva 3 8, line up with runway on right. Runway, runway 11 right, Eva 3 8. Vietnam 429, Papa 8, cross runway on right to Sierra 8. Papa 8 and cross runway 1 on right to Sierra 8, Vietnam 429.
And parking brake is off. Okay.
November Foxtrot Hotel, contact terminal 125.1, good day. 125.1, good day, thank you very much. Vietnam 246, wind 100 degree, 10 knot, runway 1 left, clear to land. Clear to land, runway 1 on left, Vietnam 246. Vietnam 429, turn right, Sierra, contact ground 121.9. Right, turn Sierra, contact ground 121.9, Vietnam 429. So right tower, Vietnam 931, good afternoon, hold short, runway 11 right. Vietnam 931, hold short of runway 1 right. Hold short, runway 11 right, Vietnam 931.
Yeah, so with this guy ahead of us, we can put the ignition on as well, if you agree. And we can also climb steeper. So if you want, we don't have to. We don't have to climb with our standard profile, but 170, and then maybe you can go 200 or 220 or something, and just get out of the wings.
Okay.
Yeah, it is 10-15 knots, huh? It's not like it's completely calm because this Vietnam Airlines is rocking around.
Ivan 398, wind 120 degrees, 10 knots, runway 11 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 11 right, Ivan 398.
Start the clock.
Fly up, runway 11 right and wait.
Line up runway 11 right and wait. Taxi interval is on. Left clear. Check.
Right side is clear.
Vietnam 246, Papa 7, and hold short of runway 11 right, traffic departing.
Papa 7, hold short runway 11 right, Vietnam 246. Dubai Tower, Vietnam 417, good afternoon on localizer, runway 1 left.
Vietnam 417, continue approach, runway 11 left.
Continue approach, 11 left, Vietnam 417.
Okay, so probably we'll have to wait 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes anyway, because of this landing traffic and the guy who's crossing.
No wonder.
Vietnam 246, cross, runway 1 right to 08.
Cross runway 1 right to 08, Vietnam 246.
Accelerate please.
Vietnam 417, wind 120 degrees, 10 knots, runway 11 left, clear to land.
11 left, clear to land, Vietnam 417.
Ivan 398, contact terminal 125.1.
1251, good day, Ivan 398. Operator by Tower, Vietnam 615 with taxi at 01.
Vietnam 615, hold short of runway 1 right.
Hold short, alright, Vietnam 615.
Vietnam 246, the arrival at Sora, contact around 121.9.
Runway, contact around 121.9, Vietnam 246, right.
The guy which is on the holding position has only one engine operating. Still.
Okay.
It's a good time to start a second engine.
It's very efficient. Well, they'll find out on the takeoff latest. Okay, I've stopped the clock because it's already much more than 2 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay, yeah.
But feel free to still go a little bit steeper if you want to. checklist below the line.
Takeoff checklist below the line. Landing, wing couple anti-ice.
120 degrees set now, runway 1 right, deliver takeoff.
Runway 1 right, before takeoff. Wing couple anti-ice off. Windshield window heat, low probes on, CAS.
Takeoff config okay?
Takeoff config okay, runway heading, check, takeoff clearance,
Obtained.
Checklist completed.
Okay, your brakes, your controls.
My brakes, my control.
Molido 571, continue approach, runway 11 left.
Continue approach 11 left, Molido 571.
Vietnam 417, Papa 7, and hold short of runway 1 right, traffic departing.
Check your
Papa
trust.
7, hold short 1 right, Vietnam 417. Tower, good day, Sun F 579, ready in sequence 11 right.
Sun F 579, hold short of runway 11 right.
Holding short 11 right, Sun F 579.
Follow to the brakes. Gear up.
Vietnam 931 right.
208.
Enough.
Clear crossing runway 1 right,
Flight level change.
Vietnam 417.
Change. Autopilot on.
Vietnam 417, confirm crossing from Malay.
Gear up.
Okay, crossing runway Vietnam 417.
Next terminal 125.1.
125.1. Goodbye. Radar, good day. MUCHI 1 Bravo, passing 3,000 feet, climbing, flight level 160.
Identify how turn right direct to November Bravo 111, climb flight level 160.
Climb flight level 160, right, direct November Bravo 111.
Speed 186, flap 0.
Okay, direct November Bravo.
Check my coming arrival 121.0. 110, Vietnam 335, good day.
Alright, flap 0 set.
Speed 250 set.
Eva 398 coming arrival 1323. 1323, Eva 398, good day. Bye.
After takeoff, checklist. After takeoff, checklist. Landing gear lever up, flat 0, thrust reversers off, climb thrust set, CAS, APRR, pressurization checked. After takeoff, checklist completed. Check, altimeters, standard. Flight level 069 now. Standard sets, checked.
So I think that the hissing sound was the sink.
Oh, sorry?
The hissing sound, that was the sink.
Oh, yeah.
Not the door. At least I hope so. April is coming up.
Speed to 77. Approaching flight level 160.
Climb flight level 220.
Climb flight level 220.
So level 220 set.
Vietnam terminal Vietnam 311, Vietnam approaching flight level 140, that's the zero. That's 311 coming. And down runway 1 left, descend 7,000 feet, unit on 310. Descend 7,000 feet.
Do you think can we release our colleague?
We can.
Now 1 left, Vietnam 311.
Alright, climb checklist, thanks. On
engine, APU off, passenger signs auto, pressurization checked, altimeters, standard and cruise check.
Standard service and
Cruise checked.